Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my closet. As I'm watching these clips back, I'm getting all the Price is Right model vibes. Someone hire me! At first, the thought of taking everything out of my closet seemed pretty overwhelming. When I moved here a little over a year ago, I did a major declutter. So I knew that there wasn't going to be too much I had to get rid of. But I still wanted to go through every single piece that I own, just to make sure I still loved it and wanted to keep it. So I obviously started by taking out every single thing in my closet. I also took out this bin from underneath my bed in which I keep seasonal clothing. At this time, I had all my bathing suits in it. I somewhat rearranged the baskets above my closet, but you'll see later in the video that I end up changing what I put in them, so stay tuned for that. I decided to put all my dresses and summer clothing in the front of my closet. I started off with my maxi dresses and then moved on to my more fancy cocktail dresses, summer dresses, rompers, and crop tops. I basically continued putting everything back into my closet. I put my crop tops and cover-ups after my rompers, my robes, and then moved on to the back of my closet. With my coats and jackets in the very back of my closet, I moved on to long sleeves and transitional tops I can wear in both warm and cold weather. I then decided to take all the sweaters and hoodies that are in my set of drawers and put them into the baskets on top of my closet. I figured this would be a better solution to storing them since I won't be reaching for them during the spring and summer months. In the first basket, I put my PJs. From the thicker winter PJs in the back to the thin one-piece or shorts in the front. Random question. Do you guys wear different pajamas every day or weekly or I don't know, I'm just curious. The next two baskets consist of t-shirts. My nicer Disney t-shirts and also some camis in the first one, and in the other basket, my more loungewear type t-shirts, which, to be honest, now looking back, I should just get rid of because I never really wear loungewear stuff at home. It's either pajamas or real clothes. That's it, no in between. And lastly, I put all my sweaters, winter cover-ups, and hoodies in the last three baskets, starting from the thinner pieces to the holiday or thicker pieces. I found this to be the perfect solution for storing these items because these are items that I don't need to see every day, that I certainly don't wear every day, and I don't really need to know what's in these baskets to really use these. Like I said, some of these are seasonal, so it's perfect. Now in my drawers, the first drawer contains my underwear and bras, which I will not be showing you because that's not the kind of video this is. In the second drawer, I have my bralettes, sports bras, and socks. The third drawer is my workout clothes, pants, shorts, and tops. I used to have all my jeans, shorts, and skirts in baskets on top of my closet, but I decided to move them into a drawer so that they would be more easily accessible. I'm not gonna lie, I live in leggings during the winter, so I didn't really need to see any of my jeans. Am I the only one? I can't be the only one, right? So anyways, that's what the fourth drawer consists of. And the very last drawer is my swimsuits, bottoms on the left and tops on the right. I don't really have a rhyme or reason as to how I organize this except for light to dark. If anyone has any suggestions, please let a girl know. And last but not least, in that clear bin that goes underneath my bed, I'm going to be putting away all my winter accessories. Scarves, chunky and long socks, leg warmers, gloves, and beanies. I think I got rid of over 20 pieces of clothing, so I'm pretty happy with that. Reorganizing my space has definitely made it seem fresh and new. If you guys have any tips for me on what you would have done differently, comment down below. Also, check out my Instagram for smaller projects and things I've been doing around my place. I like to update you guys on my Instagram stories when I start something new, so give me a follow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!